Ay, kumusta mga kabayan? Nandito tayo sa Pulte Homes, dito sa Delamar Community, dito sa Southwest. Titingnan natin itong model na White Pine dito sa likod. Okay? Huwag kayong alis, titingnan natin sa loob. Ay, kumusta mga kabayan? Mga amigo at saka kaibigan. Hello kabayan! Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito o isa ka sa mga bumabalik na manonood, welcome back! Ako si Merloni, isang Pinoy Realtor dito sa Las Vegas. Dito sa channel natin, iniikutan natin ang mga bagong bahay sa mga bagong komunidad mula sa mga sikat na builders dito sa Vegas at Henderson. Kung balak mong lumipat, magbenta o mag-invest sa bahay dito sa Las Vegas, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko and I hope makakatulong ito sa iyo. At kung gusto mong updated sa mga bagong tours at tips, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Tara, samahan mo ako sa tour natin ngayon. Mga kabayan, mga amigo at saka amiga, nandito po tayo sa Delamar Pulte Homes dito sa Southwest Las Vegas. May may apat na model sila dito. Yung first, itong the Calico. It's 2,990 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bath, and 3 car garage. They start from 640,990. Tapos yung second model nila, meron silang the Delano. It's 3,158 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2 car garage, and it starts at 632,990. Tapos yung pangatlong model nila is the Egan. It's 3,097 square feet yung living space, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, at saka 2 car garage. And it starts at 628,990. Tapos yung last nila is the White Pine na model. It's the biggest, 4,220 square feet ang living space, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, tapos 3 car garage. And it starts at $775,000, 990. Okay? So, kung may tanong kayo, just leave a comment below or call or text me. Or you could email me. Okay, sige mga kabayan. Salamat mga amigo at amiga. Patuloy tayo dito sa tour natin. Mga kababayan, mga amigo at mga amiga, nandito tayo sa model na White Pine by Pulte Homes. Nandito tayo sa Delamar Community sa Southwest Las Vegas. So this is a 3-story home. Tapos nandito tayo sa Southwest. Maganda yung view. Kita yung bukid dyan. You see they have some lots in there. Sa likod ng mga model homes, may mga lots pa dyan. But they have 2 more lots. Phase 2 at saka Phase 3. Just a couple blocks from here. So marami pang bahay na gagawin with the Pulte Homes. So again, nandito tayo sa Delamar Community at itong model na ito ay White Pine. So ito ay 4,220 square feet living space, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 3 car garage, tapos 3 stories. So you can see on the side, sirado ng bricks yung kabila dyan. Landscape is included, pero yung backyard is gonna be dirt, so mas maganda na personalize yung backyard nyo. Maganda to, may pathway. Tapos yung likod, may gate. May gate dyan. Depende kung ang pinakagilid na wall dito, pwede yung gate nyo na nasa harap sa may garahe na. Okay, and today mga kababayan, yung date ngayon is June 12, 2025. Para reference nyo sa pricing and terms dito. Kasi baka napanood nyo na to 2030 na. So wala nang mga bahay dito na available. So pasok tayo mga kababayan. So parang mid-entry siya. Aakyat ka pa para pupunta sa entrance. And may veranda sa second floor. So nice. So you have about 8 steps dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice door. So maganda rin yung labas niya. You know, may mga bricks and stuff. So pagpasok natin, may dalawa stairs. One going up, one going down. Okay? So of course, simula tayo sa baba. And I think the railings is an upgrade. Parang yung standard nila yung wall, solid wall. So baba tayo sa first floor. Okay. Big space. I think sa first floor, 8 feet lang yung ceiling nila. Okay. So malaki yung space nila sa first floor. Tapos may malaking sliding door sa gitna. I think that's 6 by 8 or something. You know, malapad lang siya. Tapos ito yung backyard. So dyan. Okay. Tapos ito yung space nila sa baba. Pwede yung gawing entertainment room or office or kahit anong gusto nyo. You know. Tapos may bedroom sa first floor. Okay. Tingnan natin dito. On the left side, nice. Malapad pa yung windows. Good. Big room. I think this is a king size bed. Yung window nakaano sa backyard. So maganda kung maganda pagka-design yung backyard mo para palaging bukas to. And dito, ganda yung accent color ng wall. Okay, parang dark brown yata dito sa gilid. Tapos sa gilid may bathroom. This is the full bathroom sa first floor. So I think this is like a vinyl sa baba. Double sink. Maraming storage sa baba. It's nice. Full window, full mirror. Malapad na salamin. And then walk-in shower. Andyan. Okay. It's nice. Tapos may storage dito. This do not use. Private bathroom. Okay, so yun yung banyo dyan. That's probably for the workers dito. Tapos may closet. Dito, closet. Walk-in closet. Nice. Pretty nice size. Closet. Okay. So yung flooring niya is carpeted. Magandang klase na carpet. Tapos dito para siyang tiles sa baba. Okay. So ito yung first floor na living space dito. Okay. Tapos akyat tayo sa second floor. Pero dito muna may additional storage dito. I think this is like a jacket na closet or storage. You know, marami kang mapaglalagyan dyan. So, pagpasok mo dito, meron pa dyan sa baba. Okay. And then on the left side, ito yung papuntang garahe. Okay. So ito, I think this is like ito yung HVAC. Nasa baba siya. Okay. And then ito yung para sa garahe, which is locked. Okay. So, akyat tayo. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 steps pataas na naman. Tapos dito, ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lang dito. Nice guitars. So sa left side, right side, ito yung primary living room or family room. Tapos may pintuan pa dyan. I think the sliding doors are upgrades, double sliding door coming from the center. So malaki yung ano niya, yung entertainment or family room. So maganda yung accent wall color, tapos yung customized electric fireplace. Ganda yung rug, it's a big rug. You can put all the couches you want dito. So malaki talaga yung space niya. So may pintuan para palabas. So dalawa yung pintuan mo, regular door, and then the sliding door dito sa kabila. Okay? So dyan. Nandyan si Paring Bob. Parang ang laking problema ni Paring Bob. So yan. So they have 2 couches. Nice design dito. It's good. And they have the 9 feet ceilings. So mas malaki siya tingnan. Mas maganda pa dyan. May decoration sa wines and stuff. Wala lang laman. So parang rockers yung nakatira dito kasi Pink Floyd naman dyan. And this is their dining room. So, pwedeng mahaba or mas malaki yung ilalagay mo dyan. And they put like customized lighting dyan sa dining room. May 6 na bola na lumiliwanag. They've got big windows at saka sa kitchen rin. Again, yung standard nila is granite. So ito quartz na to. So it's already upgraded. So maraming storage. Nandyan. Cabinets. 42 inches yan. Mas mataas para maganda tingnan. And then you've got microwave and oven dyan sa gilid, sa wall. Kasi standard feature na yung hood vent dito, you know. So kasi usually yung microwave nasa taas ng stovetop. Okay, so nandito siya sa gilid. Tapos sa gilid dyan yung pantry, big pantry. Maraming shelvings, so lots of space to work with. And more space dyan. Then may backsplash sila na dark color which complements the light countertop which is quartz. Okay, tapos may stovetop sila separate from the oven. Okay. And malaki yung island nila na counter dito. You could put some doon sa gilid, high chairs, 3 or 4 para hindi masikip. More storage sa baba. Tapos nandun sa gilid yung faucet nila, yung hugasan, facing the big window. And I think that's facing the backyard. Tapos yung sink nila is yung single sink, mas malaki. It's like an industrial sink, stainless steel. Tapos nandito yung backyard sa likod. Okay. Yung dishwasher. Then yung malaking bintana dito sa my dining room. It's good. So again, that's the dining room right here. Tapos, balik tayo dito. Nung umakyat tayo, may nandito yung banyo dito sa gilid, sa right side, sa left side. So ito yung powder room on the second floor. Powder room. So yung pedestal sink, oval mirror, and the standard toilet. Tapos katabi dyan, yung laundry room. So yan, yung laundry room dyan. Then additional cabinet sa taas. Then may sink pa. And especially kapag may specialty na damit na lalaban. So ito yung laundry room sa mid-level, sa second floor. Ayan, maganda yung gitara, oh. Ano ba to? Epiphone. Which is nice. Okay, tapos akyat tayo sa third floor where the rooms are. And then remind ko lang kayo mga kabayan, mga amigo at saka mga amiga, you know, when you go to the, kung pupunta kayo ng mga bagong tayo na bahay or new builds dito sa Las Vegas or Henderson, you know, I just recommend na isama nyo yung realtor nyo, gaya ko, kasi yung mga salespeople dito sa new builds, they're working for the builder. So parang ano siya, you know, they want to make more profit. So mas maganda na may nagre-represent sa'yo para merong magne-negotiate para sa'yo, whatever it is, incentives or rates, and we can help you from start to finish. So let me know when kung gusto nyo bumisita, and then I'll go with you from start to finish sa closing. So ito yung third floor. Okay? So pagpasok natin dito, immediately on the left side, yung first bedroom. Big bedroom. Okay? I think parang 8 feet lang yung ceiling dito. There's a big window. I think this is the master bedroom, facing the backyard. Okay? Big room. I think this is a California bed. So walang TV. That's good. Tapos harap dyan yung hallway papuntang master bath. So pagpasok mo, either side, ang right side is the Hearst and Hers walk-in closet. Yan, ang laki. There's 2 shelvings. You can still add more kung kulang pa yung damit nyo. You know, or whatever storage you want to do. Tapos yung kaharap dyan, this is the toilet sa kabila. Okay? The toilet that side. And then as we go in, double sink, malapad na double sink, a lot of storage sa baba. And then itong malapad na salamin sa master suite. That's very wide. Malapad. It's good. Tapos diretso, clear glass walk-in shower. It's nice. Pwede magpiesta sa loob. So dyan, dito yung handle. Then parang may ano siya, rain shower or something. It's pretty good. It's pretty big. So yan. Tapos may additional storage dito for linens and stuff. Okay. So yan yung first bedroom natin dito, yung master bedroom. So labas tayo uli. Labas. May storage pala dito. Para sa rooftop. Ito yung rooftop na stairs, yung taas dyan. You know, so may konting storage dyan. And yung paglabas natin, kaliwa tayo. Go straight. First left is the second bedroom on the second floor. So yan. So may closet siya, parang tinanggal yung sliding door. Tapos may queen, I think it's a queen bed. And may parang teal na color, na accent wall color. It's pretty nice. Tapos yung window niya, it's on the side. Karap sa side. Kasi pang-last na to, wall na yung gilid. So yan. Second bedroom. And immediately to the left, ito yung full bath sa second floor. Third floor, I'm sorry. Full bath sa third floor na to. Okay? Aside from the master suite. More storage sa baba. Double sink. And then, malapad na salamin, which is really nice kasi parang wall to wall siya. Tapos may medicine cabinet dyan sa gilid, and then may bintana dyan. It's facing the other side of the house. Tapos may combo. This is a combo tub and shower. Okay? Tapos of course, nandito yung toilet. So paglabas natin, quick left. Additional storage. Anong malalagay nyo dyan? Kumot, unan, towels, o kahit ano. Dyan. And then, next right, ito yung pang-apat na bed, which is a very, very nice view. Kikita mo dyan yung South Point at saka yung bukid. Big window. Malaking window. It's nice. Okay. Kasi ito yung bed. I think this is a queen bed. Maganda yung accent color sa wall. Parang gray. Different shades of gray. And then may walk-in closet dito. Good size closet. Diyan. Okay. Tapos paglabas natin, was 1, 2, 3, third, and this is the fourth bedroom. Kasama yung master bedroom. Ito yung pang-apat. Almost the same as the other room. Malaki rin yung bintana facing the mountains, the bundok. Makikita mo na yung South Point Hotel nandyan. And I think this is a full-size bed, which is nice. Tapos may closet rin siya dyan. Okay. That's good. So, as we go out, quick left, this is the second full bath sa third floor, aside from the master bath. So, parang isa-isa talaga yung banyo dito. Single sink dito. Single sink. Tapos equal size na salamin. And then the walk-in shower and the toilet. Diyan. Okay? Tapos akyat tayo sa taas. Got one more level. Let's see if it's open. I think it's locked. Okay. Bukas pala. Nandyan. So, para siyang outdoor. You can go up. Additional steps dito. Ito yung rooftop. We have a rooftop up here. May mga patio furnitures pa. You could relax dito. May bar. Pwede mag-unuman. Wag lang maglaseng. Kasi baka tumalon. So it's a nice view up here. Doon makikita yung strip. And doon, papuntang California. So yan mga kabayan, mga amigo at saka mga amiga. Ito yung the White Pine dito sa Delamar community built by Pulte Homes. And then kung may mga tanong kayo or concerns or any comments, just comment below or text or call or email me anytime, and then I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Sige mga kabayan, mga amigo at saka mga amiga. I'll see you soon on the next tour. Be safe. God bless. At magdasal palagi. Right, bye. Kung ito na ang hinahanap mong bahay o gusto mo ng mas maliit, mas malaki o nasa ibang lokasyon, kahit resale man yan, masaya akong tumulong sa'yo. Call, text, email o mag-comment ka lang sa baba kung may tanong ka. Nandito lang ako, ready to help. At kung gusto mong updated sa mga bagong tours at tips, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa panonood.